Hello everyone! Today we'll see how to approve a report as manager on Expensia. From the Manager tab, click on a report to check the invoices it contains. You can choose between a list view or a calendar view, depending on the configurations of your company. Approval on Expensia allows you to approve all invoices, reject all invoices, or make a partial approval. Once the invoices have been verified, you can do the following. Approve all to validate the entire report, reject all to reject all invoices, or approve a report partially by approving or rejecting each invoice on its own. Approved expenses will be sent to the accountant and those rejected will be sent back to the user. You can also act on several reports by checking them and clicking on Reject or Approve. Thank you and see you soon on Expensia.